Pangel, I talk for you, man. Pangel, I like him for you, man. Pangel, well, I will give him for $1.
I used to be like you can see me with my husband now.
Well, I make I know best.
You be mumu.
Excuse me.
Think say wise. You are a mumu man.
Well done, Aboki.
Well, I come back. Well, I talk and make a new best, man.
No vex, it's my brother.
So, well, I talk is my husband. Well,
No, I made a mistake.
Okay,
sorry.
yeah, well, like.
My junior one.
To me, I like him for you. Well, I will give him $1 for $1 for everything. What I want for.
You be mumu.
Well, I make I go home my house, man.
No, you just gotta go somewhere now.
Well, I will go. I will like I go. Well, like I go do it for $1, I guess. Yeah. Customer. So will I make I give her everything I want, I guess. Yeah.
Madam, do you sell geisha? Give me geisha, give me bread, give me Milo, bonfita.
Jesus is Lord. Hey, I hear me to me, but me.
The blood of Jesus.
The
blood of Jesus.
We must learn a lesson.
Well, this is a movie.
Oh, mumu not too much. Charlie boy, now mumu not too much.
So how much, ma?
Chai!
Everything now 50,000.
Thank you.
I don't get out.
Thank you.
So well, like these people, me, I don't know for them. Well, I make a collect. Why? You don't know. Welcome back.
The blood of Jesus. Blood of
He shot you. You think say they wise?
Hi guys.
You're very right here. I'm sorry.
I don't know guys. What's all this?
Why? You're meant to be here now. There's somebody that is supposed to be here.
Oh, wait,
sorry,
this shirt doesn't make for you. Okay? Wait, bro, she's supposed to come for you because I know you love black girls. So
I don't know from anywhere. Please live here. This is my boss. This is my boss.
Hello. Hello, stand up. Stand up, please.
Please, don't need you. Please, when you need you, we'll call you.
So I have a date here. She's supposed to sit here and you're supposed to live here, okay?
Apostle, we hear of this.
You think say they wise? We must learn a lesson.
Pangel, well, I come for. I guess, yeah. Bowman. Bowman, make my come for.
Here is God.
Like, I give her what I want for. I guess, yeah.
To be mumu.
Get me chewed Hollandia yogurt.
Chai!
There you go, I guess, yeah. Like, you can go on for my house.
You think say they wise? Now they never leave you.
Barman.
Now they never leave you. They have left you behind.
Hey, I hear me to me, but me.
Are you going?
It's alright. It's alright.
This man, we must learn a lesson.
Slim body, fat account.
Come on, bro, this guy
Aboki. Aboki.
I call for me.
Yes. You know this car is for sale.
Hey, not going.
If anybody comes, let the person wait for me. I am coming. Here's the key.
Oh, mumu not too much. Charlie boy, now mumu not too much.
Slim body, fat account.
Customer. Wallahi, customer.
It's alright.
Wallahi, make us sit down. Make us sit down.
Hold on.
I want to buy a mocha.
One by car.
I want to buy a mocha.
One by car.
Guess can wallahi, make I wait.
It's alright.
How much? Make I wait.
Child, there is God.
Wallahi, make I wait. I want to buy a mocha.
You be mumu. You think say they wise? You are a mumu man.
So, madam has said make I wait for me. I don't know.
It's alright.
Okay, I like this car.
It's alright.
It's alright.
I will like talking for alright.
It's alright.
I will like talking for alright.
70 years old man.
I beg, take your time. Where the car keep most test time.
One go test
Well, like everything I do work for.
Would they come Nana?
No,
No, would they come?
It's alright.
Okay, there. Now what they pay? Now money for inside.
It's alright.
Calm down. We must learn a lesson.
I need a bread.
It's alright.
You want to please others and displease us and displease yourself.
It's alright.
Slim body, fat account.
It's alright.
So like Oga, I come for I want to buy one for the car.
Jesus!
Oga boys are carrying for the car.
Alright.
You want to buy the car?
It's alright.
Oga make I talk
It's
more.
alright.
What is alright? It's alright. Since
buying
like
the
I
car?
come at the talk and it's alright.
It's alright.
I don't think this guy is okay.
It's alright.
It's not okay.
It's alright.
Aboki, where is my car?
You be mumu.
It's
Oga,
alright.
I come with the boys. Why would I talk
This guy is not feeling fine. It's not okay.
It's alright.
Oga make I talk more now. Wallahi, I come
We do keep quiet.
It's alright.
Oh, mumu not too much.
It's alright.
Where is my car?
This man.
This guy sitting down here is not okay.
So wallahi make I
It's
ask them.
not okay. Let me have my car. Where's my car?
Now they never leave you. They have left you behind.
Wallahi, na wajen wallahi gaskiya. Officer, wallahi tallahi. Wallahi make I do it wallahi. Wallahi make I find out something wallahi make I eat wallahi.
Not be juju be that.
Gaskiya.
What do you want chop now?
Ke wallahi anything I talk about go talk about. Make I take am for anything.
We do keep quiet.
So wallahi make I give am for what?
Child,
Yeah, bring am for what? Bring am for what?
you only you.
Wallahi like am for anything for. Why bring am for anything?
You think say they wise?
Bring am for Fanta ma. Gaskiya.
Child,
I like good wallahi. Wallahi.
there is God.
Wallahi make I bring am for origin ma.
Child.
Gaskiya origin.
Mumu man.
Wallahi make I bring am for tunic. Gaskiya.
Not be juju be that.
Oh, sana good. Wallahi. Thank you for you. Wallahi.
Continue.
Wallahi make I bring am for. What happened now?
He's shocking.
Wallahi I talk and make I take am for everything ba. Everything I want to make I take am mana.
You be mumu. You think say they wise?
Wallahi I talk am everything I want make I take am mana. Like I don't.
Why are you running?
Child.
Apostle, we hear of this.
You be mumu. You think say they wise. You are a mumu man. You be
Chai!
How big should you be that?
Cheating on me all this while?
Mommy, not the way you're thinking, please.
If I
Guy, I have to come back tonight. You're giving me condom. What is going on here?
Excuse me.
I asked you to give me combat. You're giving me condom. Say what is going on here? For condom. I gave you condom. Which one you combat? They said I know they know what they said. But you don't mind this guy. The very useless guy. It's not the way you're thinking on it. Please, I'm sorry on this.
So after all these years, all my sacrifice, all my efforts, all my love, and you decide to cheat on me?
Only, please, you have to understand. Please, only, please, I'm begging you, please. Only, please, just listen to me now, please, Noni. Only listen.
After all my energy I sacrificed in this relationship,
please, I beg you.
And this is hard.
Please, I beg you.
Continue.
Please, just beg.
You be mumu.
So when I go, I can make her bring her body condom, man. So what you have been cheating on me, Abi?
No.
Excuse, see what you have been doing. No. Let me tell you something. In fact, from that end, our relation is over. I can't take this anymore. In fact, get out. I don't want to get out. Get out.
Make her bring her for the condom, man.
You be mumu.
This is what it just cost.
Meaning, we need to keep quiet.
What would you be that? You be mumu. You think say they wise. You are a mumu man.
Chai!
How do we hear of this?
What would you be that? You be mumu. You think say they wise. You are a mumu man. You be mumu. You think say they wise. You are a mumu man. Give my money. So I get out for money. So wash plate, they go wash this whole picture. I'm going
Yarinya. Wallahi make an over. Wallahi. Wallahi, I like him for you, pa. Wallahi make an over, wallahi, I like him for you. I want to marry him for you.
You want to marry me?
Yeah, gaskiya.
What the person will see for this one?
Wallahi, I get him for money. I get him for dollar. I get him for pounds. I get him for money, pa. Wallahi, I will give him for you, pa.
Who cares about your money? Who cares about your dollars?
Wallahi, make him. I like him for money. Wallahi, wallahi. I like him for money. Wallahi, I like him for you, pa. Wallahi, gaskiya. I like him for you, wallahi. I want to marry him for you, pa. So wallahi, agree him for me. Okay, wallahi, whatever. So wallahi, make I give him for my number, pa. Wallahi, I go call him for you, pa. Wallahi. Wallahi, make I give him for my number, wallahi. Okay, wallahi. To wallahi, if I call him for this number, I will get him for you. Hey, correct. Hey, wallahi. So wallahi, make I give him for my money, ba. My money I give him for a leg. Hey, my money I give him for a leg, ba. Wallahi. Wallahi, make I take him for my money. Correct. Wallahi. I call him. Yarinya. Don't ba akomata, wallahi make I put him for. Kai wallahi my friend. To wallahi as I see him for you, for my body as you for me. To wallahi I get him for good price for you, I get him for good price for dollar, for pounds, for euro, to wallahi make I see him for. Make I check him for. Gaskiya. Hey, gaskiya.
I know, but I truly do not have any foreign currency to
Kariane wallahi, I don't get him for foreign currency. I dey carry him for this wine girl. To wallahi I wicked for. Gaskiya. I wicked for.
Aboki, how is that your business? Mind your business, Aboki.
Fine girl.
Young man, if you truly love your life, if you still love your life, you better stay away from us. Did you hear me?
Continue.
Stay away from us!
Honey, don't mind him. Foreign currency cannot separate me and you. Let's go.
One girl. To wallahi make I know best, but wallahi. One girl, the number I give on for me, wallahi, I miss him for one number, pa. Wallahi make I give on for me.
Wait, Aboki, wait. Number, which number? Let give me my number. When they give me my number?
They cut an eye for me, but wallahi give him for number, man. To wallahi, they bring him for eye, but I don't understand, pa.
It's not what you think, please.
Don't touch me! See, if you touch me, I'll kick out! Living, out of you, get out! Don't touch me!
funny? Is it funny? No, it's not funny. Is it funny? No, it's not funny. Is it funny? No, it's not funny.
I will miss you.
I'll miss you too, honey.
But don't worry, I will come back very soon.
Okay.
Chai!
Bye-bye.
Take care. Bye.
Honey. I forgot to give you something. Just take this, eh? This was necessity. Never can tell. Anything can happen. Use it and protect yourself. Stay safe.
Chai!
Bye-bye.
Oh. Thank God for the kind of woman God gave to me. You don't understand? Continue.
You be mumu. You think say they wise. You are a mumu man.
Give me one. You never can tell. Anything can happen. For what? I don't know. Honey, please give me one. I need just one.
Madam, what I no go do, ba?
Will you keep quiet? Aboki, what I say? What is he saying?
Honey, I don't know.
You have been sitting on me all these days.
It's a lie, oh.
So this is what you have been doing at my back.
God forbid.
Aboki, if I come here, I will teach the lesson.
Oga, wallahi tallahi me kai no best.
Continue.
Wallahi me kai no best ba gaskiya. Wallahi a dubuwan po alabarago wallahi. I get am for only 100 naira wallahi. Wallahi me ka give am for.
If me I no get money, I think I dey go somewhere like this. I no the transfer wey I get now.
So wallahi even if I give am for small money for wallahi God I go bless am.
I no get see the one with the now want to transfer go that.
Wallahi make a hell am for help am for me wana.
You be mumu. You think say they wise. You are a mumu man.
Apostle, we hear of this.
You only you.
Yeah, God I go bless am for you. God I go bless am for you. Hey, wallahi.
Not be juju be that.
Oga wallahi tallahi make I know best wallahi. Wallahi I dey go on for alabarago. I get am for only 200 naira fa. So wallahi make I help you for wallahi make I go alabarago.
Okay, wetin you want make I do? Continue.
Make I give am for small money fa. God I go bless am for you fa. I want to go on for alabarago. Alabarago man.
Okay, na alabarago dey go.
Hey guys.
Me too na that dey go now. Move follow together now. We go together.
You are the go Alabarago.
Na that dey go. As you see me na that dey go.
So wallahi I need to come for Alaba International for Alabarago wallahi. You are the go Alabarago.
Yeah, they go there. We go together now.
Wallahi I don't want to follow you fa. Wallahi I want to go.
Why not want to get there again?
I want to go Alabarago myself fa.
Why? Not help I go help you. I help you now.
So wallahi make I know best. Make I.
Why not go there again?
Make I go. I don't want to go.
No, you go today. Me and you go there.
So wallahi if by force ne?
Not by force, but now people that is scam people for this Nigeria. Later now, I say Nigeria not good. So
I don't want to go for Alabarago.
You go.
Make I leave for me man.
I don't go leave you.
Why are you running?
Oga wallahi make I know best for wallahi. Wallahi I dey looking for Makaya fa.
Aboki who be Makaya?
Makaya, my friend, I dey live on for years.
Oh, Michael.
Apostle, we hear of this.
Aboki, now. Michael, they call Makaya.
Hey, wallahi, I don't want to eat am for my shop.
You go the other side. After this room, next one, you go see him.
Oh, gaskiya. Na gode.
Welcome.
Thank you for.
Yeah, welcome.
Continue. You be mumu. You think say they wise. You are a mumu man.
Funke.
Wallahi. No, I come up for Lagos, man. I enter one for Kaduna. I enter one for Moto. I say, wallahi, I must come and see him for Makaya.
Who show you road now?
Wallahi, I read for address for me, man. I come for there, wallahi. I ask them people are show me, wallahi.
Let me go inside. Let me go inside. Come inside.
Wallahi, I don't do that for
Will you keep quiet?
You be mumu. You think say they wise. You are a mumu man.
Okay, my friend. You don't do from school.
Okay. I bring up a good.
See what I give you.
Jesus.
Oh yeah, now sit down. I make you chop now.
Makaya. Well, I mean anyone of us. I want to give him a dog.
He shock you.
There's a dog here.
There's no dog yet now. This is normal food now.
Okay, wallahi.
You think say they wise?
I want to eat them for gari. I want to eat them for beans.
You be mumu.
Makaya, wallahi, tallahi. Why are they doing for like this?
We do Lagos food now. I think people they chop for Lagos business. Everybody chop for Lagos.
Like biryani. I they see them for social media. Wallahi, I they eat them for fried rice. I they eat them for chicken. I they eat them for many things. Wallahi, I they carry them for beans and I they carry them for gari.
Oga leave that one also on our fake things. So all the social media where they see me they post fried rice, post fried chicken, post fried everything. Now fake. Now everything for social media now fake. Now real life why they live BDs. I don't like for you. I tell you they chop BDs.
You are a mumu man.
I dey eat am for this one.
Oh, mumu not too much.
I mean, no one chop man.
Makaya wallahi, I no eat am for this one.
No, I beg. Now why they do like this?
Some poison neighbor. Wallahi, I no eat am for this one. Gaskiya.
Who do we dey this house? Be this now. Make two of
What no poison neighbor? I want to poison am for Aboki.
Now two of us want eat this food. In fact, man go buy water. They come.
You be mumu. You think say they wise? You are a mumu man.
Wallahi, if I no eat am for this one, wallahi, hungry I will kill am for Aboki.
Chai!
Gaskiya.
Not be juju be that.
Yes, wallahi, gari.
You only you waka come.
Funke!
You be mumu. You think say they wise? You are a mumu man. You be.
You throw the food.
He shock you.
Apostle will hear of this.
So
Why are you running?
You only you waka come.
Emeka, bring water. Somebody don't die outside.
Funke!
Wallahi, make I no pour am for water. I get am for milk for here, I don't give am for milk. I get am for malt, I don't give am for I won't pour am for water.
They pretend come first.
Wallahi, I bet wallahi, I don't bring am for milk. God pour polish am.
Pour this water.
If I pour am for me, I go slap am for me ba. Wallahi,
You think say they wise?
I give am for milk, I don't give am for milk, I dey pour am for water.
After they go they blame Buhari na people.
Wallahi, I dey blame Buhari wallahi. Come on milk wallahi, I don't give am for me make I drink.
We have money man give you.
Give him money.
But why do you slap
Slap am for me, why I no slap am for you ba?
You be mumu. You think say they wise? You are a mumu man.
He shock you.
There is God.
Not be juju be that.
Apostle will hear of this.
Continue. Chai!
You be mumu. You think say they wise? You are a mumu man. You be mumu. You think say they wise? You are a mumu man.
There is God. Chai!
Apostle will hear of this. Funke!
Not be juju be that.
Hey! Ayé mi tèmi bá mi.
You are a mumu man. You be mumu. You think say they wise?
Aboki don't get dirty.
Gaskiya.
Artist now.
Gaskiya. Wallahi.
Why the smell like Aboki? Don't relate to.
You are a mumu man.
Gaskiya.
You know where?
I want am. Okay, wallahi.
Aboki come to me now. Nothing dey happen to you.
I dey fine. I dey fine.
You dey fine. Dey try the rest. Aboki so capsule.
Why are you running?
He shock you.
Running.
be this? Now one of my neighbors say, man, give Malam.
Malam?
Yes, sir.
You be mumu. You think say they wise?
Malam. Malam. Tell her your food be this. Oh.
You are a mumu man. Not be juju be that.
Apostle, we hear of this.
Not be juju be that.
Here is God, oh. Child. We will be quiet.
What did you be that? Why are you running?
Make a come for knife. Don't let me bring up money. Hey,
Child.
Apostle, we hear of this.
Where my phone? Where my phone? Where my phone? Okay, what line? Who is? Okay, one do we don't ever.
Child.
I know about this man. Okay, what lie? I like how this man was. Hey, what lie?
You be mumu.
I'm a brother.
You think say they wise?
Hey, what lie? Make I know best for guys here. Hey, what lie? Make I tell her I not touch on for you. Make I know best for what lie? What lie? I call it down for my money. Hey, what lie? Make I call it down money. Hey, what lie? Make I know best. Make I know best. What lie? Tell lie.
You are a mumu man.
Make I know best. Hey, make I know best. Hey, so I slap on me, ba. It's a lie, make us slap on back.
Apostle, we hear of this.
Not be juju be that. You be mumu. You think say they wise? You are a mumu man.
Hi, wallahi tallahi bangani ba. Kai.
We do keep quiet.
For this country, everything are the super person.
Child. Continue.
Metete.
Child.
Metufo.
You be mumu.
Any song of the son of the soils.
Apostle, we have.
I've come to offer you
Funke.
the food that I brought.
Funke.
Please accept these little ones
You think say they wise?
in my hand.
You are a mumu man. Not be juju be that.
Please take the sacrifice from my hands.
He shock you. You be mumu. You think say they wise? You are a mumu man.
Which kind of thing be this now? Eh? Don't call my ancestors, call my forefather. I don't give them food, give them drink.
You think say they wise?
See now they never bless me. I don't tire for this life. Oh. Everything all they are.
Juju be that.
How me I won't do like this? But if I go there, they chop the food now. But I never see their own thing when they don't do for me like this. How me I won't do again?
You be mumu.
I don't tire. I don't just get confused like this.
Mumu man.
Eh? Money where I find. I'm gonna give it happen now.
Oh God, I didn't come for you.
Look for what about they owe you money.
So like, why I don't give an access to food today?
So now they don't have this stuff. Please go give them and bless me.
They say they wise.
Wallahi, wallahi tallahi me kai numbers. Wallahi me kai numbers. Gaskiya.
Make I know best, wallahi. I like him.
Continue.
Wallahi, I see him for my body as sit down for me. Wallahi, I like him for you, fa. Hey, wallahi, I want to marry him for you, fa.
Okay, no,
continue.
Make I give him my number, man.
Number.
You think say they wise? You are a mumu man.
How about to we hear of this?
Not be juju be that.
Wallahi. Hey.
I give your address now.
My address, call my number.
Address.
You be mumu.
Number 31, J Street.
Will you keep quiet?
How about to we hear of this?
You think say they wise?
Angel.
Continue. Child.
I don't come home.
Jesus is Lord.
Sure you say you like me.
Child.
Sure you say you want to marry me.
He shock you.
What is the way to do now?
Hey! Obio!
You don't know.
Obio for Lagos. If they not carry me call Lagos before, I for tell me to Obio. Wait, man, snap shot. I go show them for worry.
We rise by lifting others, Gigi.
Mumu man.
See, this picture so, I go carry go worry. I go show them say I meet Obio.
You think say they wise?
Okay, now what's up? Israel carry my motor come out. Peruzi.
Okay, you're here then.
Yeah, they come out. So help me with like 3K.
You don't know why it's going on. Obio, for you, I go do anything.
What?
3,000.
You think say they wise?
Give me all of them. Gigi.
Mumu man.
No worry, I go employ you. Or they pay you $1,000 every week.
$1,000?
Yes, you go to guide Israel for me. And they lose guide now. Gigi. Don't say if I do the worry him now.
1,000?
It's one official car.
Official car?
But it's Gigi.
I be the driver for Lagos.
We rise by lifting others.
Emeka, wallahi I dey looking for you everywhere, pa. Wallahi, where my necklace, pa?
Hey! If you disgrace, if you try and say you want misbehave for yourself, Obio now you want to.
Obio, okay, wallahi. You gonna know be Obio, pa. Hey, wallahi, make a look up, pa. You know why make a neba? Wallahi, this one I know be Obio, pa.
You get go. Put her for your body.
I give my money.
70 years old man.
Lagos.
You be mumu. You think say they wise?
Obio. My money don't go. My money.
It is what it is.
Wallahi, welcome. So wallahi, I get up for this house, pa.
Child.
I get this one.
Wallahi, I get up, pa.
I get this one.
Wallahi.
No, thank you.
I go buy one for you, pa. I go buy one for your mommy. I buy one for your daddy, pa.
Continue.
You be mumu.
Emeka.
You think say they wise?
I dey call am for you, I go send am for you, pa. Wallahi, make I go and bring am for my chief, pa. So wallahi, I want to take am for outside, pa. I go spoil am for you, pa. Buy am for everything, pa. I'll call you back.
Yes, you.
What? What is going on?
Phone time.
Aboki, what is going on here?
Aboki, which yoga?
So Aboki, you have to go to club people might do this compound. Ghost. This one. Touch him, man. Why you touching me? What is going on here? That's the one tell me what is going on here. Touch him for my chick. Touch him for my chick. What's the meaning of this? Wallahi, me or Wallahi, make her no mind this. Come here. Wallahi, I don't get them possessed. Why are they talking about me or Gamona? Wallahi, make her touch him for my chick. Touch him for my chick, Why
are you running?
Wallahi, I know this. Since the morning, I never eat up for anything, but Gaskiya ka fara for something wallahi ka dan for something. Gaskiya.
Apostle, we hear
I'm
this.
rich. I'm very rich.
I'm very rich. Kai wallahi wallahi. Na gode. To wallahi ka fara for something ka ita for something.
Don't worry, Aboki. You receive the full letter of goodness.
Kai. Back of goodness. Kai wallahi. Ai ni kon fa wallahi kai ko.
We don't keep quiet.
I don't go back. Like yeah. So wallahi ka give the back of goodness wa.
Yes, I am rich.
So na gane mana atoka I am rich. Wallahi to make I give my back of goodness mana.
Aboki, you don't understand. You don't understand. See, you don't understand. Yeah, this money, look at. I don't have money to even buy granite and drink garri.
Hey, wallahi I don't understand ba. Atoka I am very rich. So don't like make I give up back of goodness. So wallahi ban gane ba.
Kill yourself now. I want to kill him for myself. Hey, can you imagine? What happened? Why want to kill yourself? Now I want to kill yourself. You see what happened now? I don't know for him. As a person, don't use for trailer. I want to kill yourself. As you pass from, I need to really clear. Jesus, you really die. Don't die. Jesus, I don't think I say we don't go back again. I can't tell you about the heaven back and forth. Can you imagine? Consider. No. Leave my money against you. Wait. Sit down there. Why you won't kill yourself? Man, I want to kill him for myself. I wonder. They will lie. I don't want for everything for this country. Will lie. I know they work. Okay, you know this country they had. But need to manage. Look at all this happening to boys. The thing that you don't die. You won't go kill yourself. See, man, this life that one. If you kill yourself, you go die for Sarah. Now don't tell you finish. Don't tell you finish. Make a live up for me. I want to kill him. We didn't kill quiet. I want to kill yourself. I want to kill him for myself. Kill yourself. Excuse now, that one died be this night. What I'm throw for leg? What happened?
I put on my neck for life, but they had to do me whole life.
You go die today. We are lose that road. You go die.
Why are you running?
Boss, I do. Yeah, make a see you. Boss, which one is my phone too now? Boss, which one is my phone too now? Which one is my phone too now? Make I see your phone. Which one is my phone? I say make I see your phone. They want me. Make I see your phone. Make I see your phone. Since June, come remind me for you. Yeah. So. She are too small for your wife now. You don't see me for your wife. She the one me.
You will lie. I don't understand her.
She the one me. Will lie. I the call for me. Will lie me never. I the follow you the talk. See the talk. See you don't know who I be. You the one me. To lie who I be ba. Who I be. You don't know ghost. You don't know me. Hey ghost. For this one I do go this area. No lie. I know be ghost ba. Say you hey ghost. Hey one lie ba yerda ba. Hey ghost. Hey one lie I know be ghost ba.
Why you ba say am ghost I know what ghost.
We do fire.
Hey one lie I know what ghost ba. To one lie make a chicken pa. Wait lie make a wait. Make a wait. I know what ghost ba. Hey one lie I know ghost ba. One lie I know what ghost ba.
Hey wallahi I go take again ba. Wallahi make a chicken again.
fighting.
70 years old man.
Neighbors, come and help. My dad is fighting.
This man.
You only you waka come.
Oh, Mumu not too much. You be Mumu. You think say they wise. 70 years old man. Reset you. You want to please others and displease yourself. And they never leave you. They have left you.
Wallahi ni aka tuwa Valentine ba.
You be Mumu. You think say they wise. You are a Mumu man.
Wallahi ni aka tuwa for Valentine ba.
70 years old man.
Special package.
So like make I give on what I want. What I want.
Like give me drink. Hollandia, yeah, Hollandia.
Wallahi me I like him for you, my guys. Me I go marry him for you. Me I go do everything for you. Wallahi I like him. I go marry him for you. I go put him. I go do him for everything. Wallahi. Look at Una.
You know too much.
I like him for you guys. Yeah. Look at Shabana, guys.
Then a special day. Valentine.
So I did sit down with my money. They were like, I go give on for everything.
I trust you.
If I finish, I go go on for my house.
Wait it talk. Go your house. See, because I sit down here with you. I don't understand. Which I won't go your house, go to.
There is God.
No, even try that one. No, even say it again. Don't make me angry, please. Which I won't go to your house. What if it is? See this Aboki. I don't understand. Because I didn't here with you, the thing is I go go. Don't make me angry.
This man, you want to please others and displease yourself.
Drink of my drink.
Give me special package.
Maman! Wallahi, Maman. Wallahi, me, I don't know about this one. I fell off my body, I guess.
Jesus is Lord!
Madam, my money. Pay me my money now.
You be Mumu. You think say they wise.
This money don't enter.
Mumu man.
Customer. Like me, I want to go egg. I
don't get egg. Now egg like get.
I get to go egg blue.
Egg roll.
How much for egg blue? How much for egg?
Egg na 100 naira.
How much you can bring up for egg blue?
I go like
You think say they wise? You are a Mumu. 70 years old man.
Very wise, yeah.
Oh, Mumu not too much.
What is that?
Jesus is Lord!
So will I make a hula for this one?
Not be juju be that.
Apostle, we hear of this.
The blood of Jesus.
Not be juju be that.
Blood of Jesus.
70 years old man.
So madam, my egg is sweet, boy. Yeah. So will I make a pay for my money?
This man.
Make a pay for my money.
What is that?
Yeah.
The blood of Jesus.
Not be juju be that.
So will I talk an egg 100 naira?
200 naira. Why they give me 100 naira?
Why?
That's 200. Not the egg roll I give you.
Now so me I eat am for egg, I leave am for grow.
Now 200 naira be my money. I told you
me I no eat am for grow, man.
I told you that 200 naira be my money. Why they give me 100 naira?
How much for egg?
100 naira.
Me I eat am for egg, man.
I don't say egg for you. Now egg roll I say for you. Now egg roll I say for you.
So me I eat am for egg, I leave am for egg grow.
200 naira.
So me
Now 200.
Why I want to am for what, man?
200 naira be my money. I told you say that 200. Now 200 naira be my money. Give me my money.
Me I no eat am for grow, man. I eat am for money.
No, give me my money.
So me I no eat am for grow, man.
200 naira. That's 200 naira be my money. Now 200 naira.
How much be egg?
200 naira be my money.
to my unit. Yeah? Minene. Oh, Minene speak English language. All of them Minene, not Poshuka, so they don't say it again. Minene. Carry on. The truth. Why the worker for road now? Get yourself, come on here. I said, come on here.
Wallahi, I got other one question, but wallahi.
Will you keep quiet?
Wallahi, who teach you about wallahi, assassin for Aboki. Wallahi, I think Aboki I don't get our money. So wallahi, Aboki I get our money. So you know, see, I said, talk to you now. Wallahi, Aboki I get our money.
Will you keep quiet?
Yes, they walk with money. They have money, wallahi.
Go, so show you money there. I thought you said money, not to say money. 500.
Wallahi, make I give you
700. Oh, yeah, say money.
What's happening now? Can you need money? Hey, they thank God. My own worst part of your own. You know, see the Nigeria economy. Now, if I don't give me money, why would you say that motor for Sodi? I go thank God. I dey try for you for your cotton. I hold it solo now. If you make I give you money. You give me let me take you give me. If you give me now, you go see person we go see give you. But if I beg money now, they don't go give you. Never happen.
Juju be down. You be mumu. You think say you dey wise. You are a mumu man. You be
Apostle, we hear of this.
Not be juju be down.
Look what happened now. We are not getting for money now. Okay? Come by, don't be good for you. There is God. I don't get. The last year I lose my job now, I didn't for the last. I don't get money job like this. I'm tired. Chai!
Make I give up on my money, man. Wallahi,
so you can talk.
Exactly.
Wallahi, make not talk like that. Wallahi, I give up on money. I will give up on money. Wallahi, I carry up my money.
Not be juju be down.
I don't think you can talk.
Come on, make I give up on money. Make I not ask them for more.
Which money? You give any money?
I give up on money, man.
Where?
Hey, wallahi, I don't give up on money. Do you want to make I give up on money?
Drop 1K. Collect phone.
You be mumu.
Photo. Come lost.
There is God.
Oh, mumu not too much. He shot you. 70 years old man. This man.
Apostle, we hear of this.
Something way bad for this you. You be mumu. You call other people mumu. They never show you say you be mumu. Photo.
Chai, there is God.
This man.
Funke.
70 years old man. You be mumu. You think say you dey wise. You are a mumu man. This man. We must learn a lesson. He shot you. Now they never leave you. They have left you behind.
Chai!
This man!
Hey! I hear me.
You be mumu. You think say they wise. You are a 70 years old man.
Chai! Chai!
The earlier you learn to be who you are, the better it will be for you. Now they never leave you. They have left you behind.
Baby, give me head.
No,
Come on, give me head, baby.
no.
Baby, give me head.
No.
Come on, give me head. Give me head, baby.
Chai!
I said I can't do that. I can't do that. Give me head.
Wallahi, make I give am for madam head. Wallahi, Oga Asinu. Wallahi, Oga Asinu. Wallahi, I hear him for Oga Adi Asan for Oga. Wallahi, I give him for head. Wallahi, Oga say I no gonna give him for head. Wallahi, me I will give him for head. This care about.
I don't understand.
So wallahi, I hear him for Wallahi, Oga give him. Wallahi, I hear him for Oga Adi Asan for Oga. Wallahi, I give him for head. Wallahi, Oga say I no gonna give him for head. Wallahi, me I will give him for head. This care about. I will give him for head for. Wallahi, I will give him for head for. Wallahi, I will give him for head for. Yeah.
Are you sure?
So wallahi, I will give him for head. This year, I will give him for head.
Are you sure of what you're saying?
I will give him for plenty head for. Okay, wallahi, I will give him for head of cow.
Will you keep quiet?
Come wallahi, even head of fish for. Wallahi, I will give him for you for.
Chai!
Hey, I will give him for head for.
Will you keep quiet?
I will give him for head for. Wallahi, God, I will bless him for you. Give him for money, for. God will bless him for you, for.
I have none.
Give him for money, for.
I will give you.
God will bless him for you, for. You can give him for money, for. I will bless you, for. I will bless him for you, for. What I do for me, for? 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 Give up for my planet, for life for my planet. I give up for life. I give up for my. I give up for my yani, for. So wallahi, you can give up for my planet, for. Wallahi, wallahi. I will give up for my yani.
Will you keep quiet?
So wallahi, you can give up. So wallahi, I come down. Wallahi, I don't come down, for. Wallahi, I will give up for my planet. I take it for my wife. Wallahi, I take it for my children. Wallahi, wallahi. Wallahi, I take it for my brother. Wallahi, when you want, I will give it for my children. Wallahi, so you are closer for my eye. I will give up my brother. Yes. Silence me. So wallahi, I don't close up for my eye.
Chai!
Wallahi, give up my blindness, man.
We will keep quiet.
Hey, wallahi.
What's eating you up now? What's happening? Why did you do like this? Blessing you are. Blessing. Can't scare blessing. Why? What happened to blessing now? Blessing, I'm not going for anything, but I don't go out for anything this year. Why then are you acting the way you act? Hey! Well, like for the things of a blessing, one life, my blood, I did you one life. I welcome a blessing. I love a blessing, one life. I want to marry a blessing. Do you come for blessing? I want to marry a blessing. It is here. I will talk about blessing. I don't come. I don't say you get fever. You get fever now. You draw. Because I'm not even worry you. I don't come bro. Serious matter. Wallahi, I don't talk. I don't get up of you. Do what I don't talk about. So wallahi, I think I don't joke about what I don't talk. So wallahi, if I don't get what I will talk about, wallahi, I don't go back. Me, I was down here when I go to the you like blessing. Just I like how blessing, man. Look at Aboki. He wants to kill himself. Okay. Let me help you. You love blessing. I love blessing. I want to marry a blessing, man. I'll give you blessing now. I got a rich blessing for you. Yes, now. What are you saying? If I arrange a blessing for you, I'm going to worship for you, man. Hey, give my God, my God. Yes, yeah. You see, baby. You see this ring now. This ring. As you put this ring, see, Mama will be this ring. Now touch and follow. Hey, as you put her for her, as you start blessing, that hand will your ring do. Just carry out. Just ask them to go. See blessing, Bobo. Just blessing will just start to be food. So with this one, I sit down and say, well, I will come with you. They don't finish work now. If this will work, wallahi, I will watch out. Everything I like about this way, wallahi, I will do it this year. Why do you waste your time? Take time to do wallahi, buddy. Wallahi, yes, yeah. Wallahi, you are talking like this. I can hold out on you. You don't follow. I can go for my house. So I can come my water. It ain't get better. Wallahi. So let me go. I'm looking for my life. I don't go. Wallahi, you want I want for you. I'm going to stop with you back. Yeah. Don't kill yourself. Aboki. It is revelation. Good afternoon, bro.
Wow, that's good. Who taught you?
One of my friends at the camp for me, I guess. Yeah.
Wow, if you continue like this, you're going to become a grammatical Aboki.
So, drama. So, I never hear this kind of English.
What I mean is, if you continue like this, you're going to be speaking good English.
Oh, I guess the credit. So, is the lesson I like how my dress.
What did you be that?
Child! What you concern me with what I'm doing? Look at him on my good job.
Now, slot I can buy am the receipt.
I don't know whether the Republic of Nigeria.
Will you keep quiet? I'm not understanding sorry.
Who are you?
Hey, Joko, my name is. Who are you? I know you. Who are you?
They
shock you. I don't understand you. Who are you? I know you.
Not be juju be that.
Where's your ID card?
I don't understand.
Why we this military show? Are you a military man?
You think say they wise?
Hey, to wallahi bangani fa.
Eh?
I don't understand.
Give me the shoe. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Fast.
What? Make I know this.
You be mumu.
Give it to me.
I know this.
Give it to me. Fast.
I know.
Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me.
You are a mumu man.
Get up.
You be mumu. You think say they wise? You are a mumu man.
Officer!
He shot you. Not be juju be that.
There is God.
You be mumu. You think say they wise? You are a mumu man.
Why are you running?